In the name of Allah, most beneficent and most merciful, honorable principal and my dear school fellows, good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Hanan from class 7. My school name is Afodi Foundation School, Chishtiya.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyid Salman Nazar from grade 7. This is my project of ATM machine. This is made by class 7 with the help of memory truck. The material we use in this machine is glaze sheet, glitter sheet, plastic sheet, and to stick all the things we use the glue gun and scotch tape. The purpose of this machine is to withdraw the money with the help of ATM card.
This machine has our life easier. We can enter a card like this.
And show me its function. Superb work, very well done.
Thank you.
Thank you.